Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we are gonna draw eyes. One Friday early in the morning I was sleeping. Then I dreamed of fading. Her eyes were just so adorable. I fall in love with her beautiful eyes. After waking up from sleep, I watched a couple of eye drawing tutorial videos on social media. But I did not get any effective tutorial videos where I could learn from how to draw eyes. Then I opened my YouTube and I searched one of my favorite artists, 𝐒𝐲𝐶. 𝐒𝐲𝐶 is one of my favorite artists. I used to watch his tutorial videos and his videos are really very effective. I noticed some changes in my drawing and his drawing style was the game changer for me. His shading style, hatching style, wow, just amazing. It really brings the light to the art. I started with a simple circle. Then I divided it horizontally and vertically from the middle. Then again I divided the upper part. This horizontal line for eyebrows and the middle horizontal line for eyes. After watching 𝐒𝐲𝐶's tutorial video, then I tried his style in my drawing. Eyes are often called the windows to the soul because they can express emotions and tell stories without a single word. They hold the power to convey joy, sadness, curiosity, and wonder. In art, drawing eyes is a beautiful challenge. They are intricate yet captivating, with every detail from the glint of light to the curve of an eyelash, adding depth and emotion. Eyes connect us, inspire us, and remind us of the beauty and complexity of human expression. At the beginning, drawing eyes wasn't really easy for me. It was very difficult for me at the beginning, but I really did not give up easily. I practiced, I tried, and I watched a couple of tutorial videos on YouTube and other social media platforms. The results you are seeing now are not an overnight achievement. It reflects years of practice, countless mistakes, and unwavering determination. Every stroke, every failure, and every lesson has shaped the progress you see today. If you want to improve your drawing, keep practicing, keep creating new things consistently, and be patient. You may not see improvement in few days, but never give up. The changes and progress will come, perhaps after a couple of weeks or months. Trust the process, believe in yourself, and remember that every small effort brings improvement over time. Practice truly makes a man perfect, and with dedication, you can achieve incredible growth in your art. So, be patient and keep creating. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and comment below. And please subscribe our channel and stay with me in the journey.